Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video, we're gonna see how people make $100 a day or more using Instagram. Just Instagram, just a social media. We're gonna see how the people are making good amount of money. First, you're gonna need to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In this video, we're gonna see how people are making full-time income by using Instagram. With this strategy, you can also make that amount of money even if you have 0 to 100 followers or more. It just take a 1 hour work to do. It's a good way to make money, guys. It's just work 1 hour work to. If you watch till the end, I will show little hack how to increase your Instagram followers to like a 10k or 100k or even more. Just easy simple hack to increase your follower. Let's dive into video. Before that, you have to subscribe to my channel for future content and like this video and comment below and share with your friends who want to make money online. Let's dive into video. First, we're gonna go the main website called Instagram. This website is the most used website in the internet. Let's take down the Facebook, let's take down the YouTube, coming Zoom. So Instagram is the most popular website. People are moving Facebook to Instagram. Instagram marketing agencies going crazy, guys. You just need at least create an account like this and follow many people as you can. First, you find your niche, guys. In Instagram, many more niches are here like fitness, comedy, funny videos, cooking, traveling, entrepreneurship, mental mindship, YouTube. Many kind of niche are here. Just choose any one of the niche and create an account for the niche and upload a valuable content. If you ask me how I get a content to upload this is not like a YouTube, guys. You upload other people video, you get a copyright. It's not like a YouTube. You just go this any kind of website like this, screenshot this and re-upload to your Instagram account to put more hashtag and like some question on using like helpful content to people to make the post look like a helpful content. Is this help to reach to many people, guys? Just you need good hashtag is like a tax on a YouTube. Okay, guys, let's dive the video how to make $100 or even more with the Instagram. First, you need account. I just show how improve the followers to like a 10k at the end of this video. Watch, wait till the end of this video. First, you need a good Instagram influence. I just take example of fashion, means fashion. Just go any kind of this influencer page. You see rock photo. Many people are this. Did you see, guys? This post is a shoutout post. Is this the one of the way to make money, guys? If someone pays him, this guy, and put a photo on this page like this, guys, I think these guys get around $100 or $1,000 for this one post. That's the power of Instagram, guys. For this one post, this guy get paid over 100 or $500, guys. This guy paid more. Do you see, guys? Lots of paid promotion this guy had. Many more paid promotion, guys. Just he upload other people photos and get paid. It's the easiest way to make money, guys. Just upload other people First, you can upload a post and improve your followers to more, and just you create a Shopify store or get an affiliate product, or wait some company to give a affiliate offer to give a shout out for them. Wait until, or you create a Shopify store like this, fashion related Shopify store, and put your link like this. If you have a 500k followers, 1 percentage, 50 followers get watch the story and go to a store and buy for your. This way to make $100 a day, guys. Next way I show you, just post and wait companies to get. Just you post to get. I like to show guys the Instagram tool. This arrow mark, this kind of arrow mark is the most important Instagram tool, guys. Just click this, you get related like of account. You just go and inspire with this. These guys have 737k followers, guys. This guy making good amount of money with this. Easy way to make money with, guys. First you gonna need a good hashtag. Just a hashtag. First go fitness, go fitness hashtag, excuse me, and copy any kind of image and put a fitness hashtag. Lots of hashtag in your description of photo, guys, and people's or company come for you and shout out for you. Or you just go to shopify.com and create your own e-commerce site, guys, like your Instagram page. Like this guy, you create your own t-shirt and put your store link like this, and get a sale and make $100 per day or even more, or full time or passive income. Instagram is the good, easy, organic traffic, guys. The easiest way to make a good amount of money with this Instagram. This guys already get shouted. Let's check this site, Harzo.com. Wait, guys, Harzo.com. I think this company come forward to shout out for this. Do you see, guys? This is the men's fashion company. It's less Shopify, the shopping stores. Yes, guys. This is the shopping stores. Do you see, guys? Lots of offers right here. I think with this website, this company or these people make, I think, 100k or even more. I don't know, guys, roughly 100k. This company make even more with this. So lots of traffic, guys. Do you see? Almost 400k followers. It's the targeted audience, guys, who loves the design or fashion. They're only following these people, and this company come forward to shout out for them and get sale. You see, guys, this is sold out. Many of them sold out. You do not know how to create a Shopify store, search it for Google. Say, I think everyone know how to create a Shopify store. It's the easiest, guys. Go to this website, store, create a store of free sale, and put your email address, poster on store name, and create your store, guys. It's the easiest way to make, guys, just with the Instagram power. Get for your own money without any uh, half percentage profit, or you get other people shout out, or other people promote other people product. With two strategies you can make $100 or even more, or full-time or passive income with this two step strategy, guys. I like i like you guys. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like, comment, share with your friends. I hope this video help you guys. I'll see you next video. Peace. Make money online.